Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. Got an RCI-2970N2. Going to do a tune-up report for Jason in Wisconsin. Jason's got a CP1 in here. He's got an amp switch in the back to turn the power off. So we're starting in low right now, amplifier off, and we're using an RD104. Okay. We'll start with the power all the way down. Reading it up here. See, it's about a half a watt. And if I turn it, all the way up, just a touch over 3. We got a 50 watt slug over here, so that's about 44, 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 44, audio. Alright. And for sideband. Oh, and he also has talkback in this radio, as you can hear. Audio, check. Okay. So now the switch in the back, we'll pop that up. We'll start with the power all the way down again. We're going to have to change to a 500 slug. Okay, so over here, still a 10 watt scale. We put it in AM. Showing us about 6, my usual. Now on the 100 watt scale, we can turn it all the way up to about 60. And then over here, like I said, is 500, so we're using that middle scale there where it says 10, 20, 30, that's 100, 200, 300. Audio. So yes, that's a bit over 300. Audio, check. Audio, 1, 2, audio. Alright. That's AM peak. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's sideband about 250. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the AM waveform, I forgot to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check. And that's it. Hi, Bagger 19 for radio check. How about 19's my radio again now? Come on. About 34, anybody out there, give me a radio check, come on. 34
radio check, are you Skip Lynn? You got Operator Tom, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Hello, Operator Tom, Operator Screwdriver, Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Hello, Screwdriver, how are you this afternoon?
I'm doing good, hope I sound as good as you. Yeah, alright, that's all I gotta hear. I gotta get out of here real quick. The mailman's a-coming. Well, thank you very much. Talk to you later. Bye.
Take care, Screwdriver. Operator Tom.